Yo ho 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 and a bottle of rum. Happy Friday the 13th from a Nerd Herd. We've got the full roster here right now. We got a Nerd Herd Biddy Ocho.
What's up, guys?
We got a Nerd Herd
Hector.
You got a Nerd Herd Markel, aka your boy Sith Optimus, the FPS killer. So we've got a pretty fun unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this. PlayStation cameras are in full effect. We've got the ill-fated Move camera.
It's actually called a PlayStation 3i camera.
Thank you. See, he's my tech guy.
Yeah.
He's got all real names.
Fact check, son.
Yeah.
I call it the Move camera because it's supposed to be used with the Move and a few other games, but the Move was kind of...
Hey, I had a PS3 and I had the Move, and I actually used it a lot to play Killzone.
You did?
Yeah, play Killzone with the Move was amazing. Like, I was cheesing people all day long. It was awesome. If people didn't know why, because everybody just using the DualShock, like the 6-axis. Remember the 6-axis? Yeah. And I was with the Move just, like, sniping people. Yeah, it was great.
I used it with the sports game. I think it had Frisbee and a couple other
things. Sports Champion.
Sports Champion, yeah. I actually found that the other day. I was going through like, all my old games. And, like,
that was a good game. It was like their take on like Wii Sports.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was way better.
Way better.
Way
but
better.
You need the big room to use this camera, actually. If your room wasn't big, it was not doing big things, trust me.
Yeah.
We move on to the OG,
PS4 camera.
PS4 camera. This is pre-move. This is like the launch camera, pretty much. It's huge, blocky rectangle. This is how much I didn't use it. I still have the plastic on it.
Oh my god.
That's how much I didn't. I still have the plastic on the lenses. That's kind of funny. But yeah, like this was kind of pain in the butt to set up on like my entertainment center and TV because I have a pretty thin TV. So like it didn't really mount to the TV well, and like it didn't really mount to my entertainment center that well that I used when I was playing my PlayStation 4. So to be honest, it didn't get a lot of airplay. But today, of all days, in its PS5 reckoning.
Oh yeah.
Boom! Look at that. We got the PlayStation 5 HD camera. Pretty stoked about this. You know, it'd be nice if I had an unboxing knife. Oh! Snap your fingers and look what happens. Pretty stoked about this. I bet I can open this one a lot better than I open anything. No, game. I'm sorry. I'm lying to myself.
Oh, Hector to the rescue. Here you go, sir.
Oh, thank you. It's
Hector to the rescue again.
As always. But this is why Sony knows me so well. They designed this just for me. Like, I pull it straight out. But apparently I can't open the box to save my life. Shout out to Sony. They were like, you know what? Markel, this boy needs some help opening him unboxing videos. We're going to help his ass out. Boom. Very simple. This is what I kind of like about Sony's, like, PS5 boxes. It's very Apple-ish. It's very straightforward. There's no flair. There's nothing to it.
Yeah.
It's
actually a lot smaller than I thought.
Some words that I'm not gonna read.
Same. Nobody reads that ever.
Throw that back in there.
I do.
Except for Ben, apparently.
You're the only one.
It's kind of heavy, actually.
Okay.
It's kind of heavy.
This is quite interesting. Now, what I found is very interesting is so it has two cameras, and I really don't know why. And here's what I mean by that. The original camera, like this one right here, the reason it had two cameras is because they were intended to use it for other things, like the controller.
Yeah.
To track the controller. It was for depth perception. That's what it was. But then the one they made after this one, they made it for the VR because the VR will use also the lights. This one right here has the two cameras, but Sony already said it's not compatible with the VR.
Yeah, they did say that.
So like if you can still play with the PlayStation VR, but you need to get a special adapter that Sony's giving away for free if you already have a VR.
Ooh.
But if you go buy a VR now, they come in packing already to like use for the PS5, right? So you still have to use that old camera. So I'm assuming that the reason they're using the two camera system is because in the future, they might come up with a new VR that needs it.
That'd be sweet.
That's what I'm thinking, because they didn't really explain the reasoning behind why it has two cameras.
Or, I mean, this probably has nothing to do with, like, the two cameras, but it allows for you to blur the background image, too. So this camera
could be like a telephoto.
But yeah, like I'm pretty excited. It has a built-in stand, which makes me a lot happier. Where this one, like if you bump the table, it's rocky.
Yeah.
This one had this as a stand, and it was like taped to this. It was kind of weird. And that's what you got, and I wasn't a fan.
Yeah.
Like a cheap transformer. But there you go. You got the PlayStation 5 camera. Pretty stoked about it. Blurring background images. I mean, built-in stand. And it does 1080, HD. And with that being said, it's your boy, Kels, and your boy, Hector! Make sure you like this channel. Sub to us. Make sure to show us love. And there will be some affiliate links in the channel. So, we out.